Good morning, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Southold and I'm doing some existing condition drawings of this house. I'm doing exterior elevations, floor plans, electrical, and RCP. This is the little bit of the neighborhood. I'll swing quickly over there. That's right around the corner there is the water. I believe it's the Peconic Bay. So this is what I'm working on today. I figured I'd show you around. This is a new purchase, and the owner hasn't moved in yet. They're going to actually don't know the scope of the remodel. So second floor, and then they have a nice backyard. So this is where I'm at today. Thank you for viewing my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it be an apartment in the city or a house out east or upstate Connecticut, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.